PYX106, Quinn and Cantera.
1-800-LAW-1010, 1-800-LAW-1010.com. Paul Harding, Martin Harding, Mazzotti on the phone.
And it's so bizarre because we emailed Paul yesterday saying we wanted to talk about businesses who may feel like they're going to, may try to open up before the governor,
right.
just in a general kind of generic way. And lo and behold, we're looking at, I think, a Columbia County fitness owner who opened up his business and is now kind of in the thick of it all. How you doing, Paul, by the way?
Good morning. Doing well.
So what is the law if someone opens up ahead of the governor?
Well, they're in violation of the law. The question is the enforceability. You know, the governor from the beginning said, listen, we're not going to arrest people for this. There's going to be fines imposed and do the right thing. Now, around the country, you know, we've seen Elon Musk, you know, he's in the news for that, but just there's been gym owners who've been arrested in California, hairdressers in Dallas, a pastor in Tampa who violated the rule and have all been arrested. New York, so far, no one's been arrested.
Paul, what about, say they open against law and someone comes into their establishment and gets hurt, and then they try to collect money and sue through an insurance company. Is that company going to be able to use their insurance they have? Or is that insurance company going to tell them to scram, pay the guy for his broken leg yourself?
You know, they're supposed to be closed. The insurance company in a broken leg situation would still be on the hook if during the course of this they do something that causes someone to get hurt, right? Okay. The big question is this COVID-19. If someone gets, we'll call it COVID-19,
right,
as a result of being in there, you know, could they be liable for that? Would the insurance company pay on that? You know, as a general proposition, to prove someone got it there, nearly impossible, right? So everybody's afraid of these COVID-19 cases. I don't see them. I don't see any of them. I don't see how you'd even prove it. My gosh, you can get it from opening your mailbox. You can get it from when you go to Stewart's and you just touch the door. What, did you wash your... So I'm not seeing that the lawsuit basis here is going to be an issue. What they're probably watching to see if nothing happens to this guy, maybe I'll do it too.
Right.
Because we don't have these criminal penalties in New York.
That's the problem. People start making their own decisions, and
hang on.
Yeah.
We just hang on for like another week. You talk to Sheriff Apple, and if we just hang on for another week, maybe Albany County opens up. I have to go back to, and I feel like I've asked you this before, Paul, but it's in violation of the law. But it's a law because the governor signed an executive order. It didn't pass anywhere to become a law, right?
No, there was no law passed. Hasn't been a lot of laws passing lately. There's been a lot of discussion about that. And again, nobody would want to be in the governor's shoes right now, or any public servant shoes, because these decisions are hard. So, the governor really just from the beginning just said, we're not going to arrest people. And, New York City, there were some restaurants that stayed open, but the fines are a little tough. They start at $2,000, they can go up to $10,000, and then they can multiply it by the number of employees, the number of days. So it's daunting, maybe more so than just being arrested.
This guy opening up his business is he's one story out of all these businesses who are really towing the line, and the people, according to the governor, have really been towing the line on their social distancing. And this is why, it was so ugly for us right up front, while the rest of the country is suffering a little bit more. We're actually feeling better here in New York, and it's time, and we're itchy. And,
just gotta hang in there.
Yeah.
Just gotta. I mean, I know it's tough. I mean, we sympathize with everyone not working and earning any money.
No.
If we just hang in there maybe a week and we can do this thing,
Yeah, we can do it, you guys. We can do it.
When you're counting the hours and the days to that, and I know everybody is, and sure, I think that there's not going to be a mass opening. Some other folks may open. I believe they're going to tolerate it. Even the sheriff in the county where this gym opened, he kind of sidestepped it and said, "Hey, listen, this is an illegal issue, right? This is a zoning issue, right?" So I could just see the sheriff at that point. It's like, I don't want anything to do with this because that's where things could get out of hand.
We're in charge, America.
We get these survey results every day taken by like 100 iHeart stations, and
they're soothing this morning.
A third of people want to run out the door.
Right.
A third of people don't want to leave home, and a third of people kind of want to just peek around. So I think we're split three ways here. Let's just all get along,
Yeah, all right.
All get along.
I know. My big concern is when people see other people doing doing something, they think that it's open. They think, oh, if that guy's doing it, it must be open. And that's the problem is the miscommunication.
Just wait for the word from the governor.
Yeah, we'll see.
We will wait for the governor. That's right.
All right, Paul. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it.
All right, guys. Talk to you.
Paul Harding from Martin Harding Mazzotti, 1-800-LAW-1010, 1-800-LAW-1010.com. We'll see you later, buddy.
Thanks, Paul.
All right. Bye-bye, guys.